Corny Korakan Alon is a shareholder of BSP and one of the attendees at the annual general meeting who raised the agenda of bringing back the old BSP logo. At the conclusion of the AGM, NBC National News spoke to him.
We need to bring back the three kundus. There was no need to come up with some arbitrary caricatures that doesn't represent anything that has any connection or semblance to Papua New Guinea.
On 14th May, a letter was submitted to BSP management, and Mr. Alon says another option is for Papua New Guinea shareholders to call for a special AGM.
This thing was never put to the AGM, the previous AGM. The board plus the management have gone ahead. What I've called for, which I've registered, I've sent letter, the same copy of the letter that you're holding, to the secretary of the board, all right? Registering my protest. And what these other folks have said, and what I've said, if they don't do this change within the next month, we are going to call for an extraordinary AGM in which we will specifically focus on bringing back our three kundus.
BSP Group Board Chairman Robert Bradshaw says the company is nearly 90% PNG owned, but its shareholders are also from the Pacific region.
BSP is no longer just a domestic PNG bank now. We're a regional bank with aspirations to be an international bank. So BSP is proudly headquartered in PNG because this is where our roots are. 87% of you shareholders are Papua New Guineans. We get that. But as I've said, we're also in the South Pacific countries, six other South Pacific countries. Our shareholder is also changing.
And added that the new bank logo is inclusive.
We need a brand, a logo that is not just unique to PNG only. It has to be something that is inclusive. It's something that should be embracing everyone else from the Pacific into the BSP family. And the Pacific market now contributes over 30% of our revenue.
Charles Yapomi, NBC National News, Port Moresby.